Hi everybody and welcome back. In this lecture we're going to be looking at numerical comparisons. So how to compare numbers with each other. When it comes to comparing numbers, Python makes it pretty simple. Let's have age equals 18. And as you can see, we don't surround the digits in singular double quotes because they're numbers. We only do that with strings. Age equals 18, true, perfect. We can also test to see if two numbers are not equal to each other. And the way we do that is, let's just pop open a new file. And first let's save this. Save as desktop. And save it as numbers. And I'll just replace what I have there. Replace. Perfect. Okay, so let's say age equals 23. If age is not equal to 22, so it's somebody's birthday who is 22, not 23, print sorry, no cake for you, which is a bit mean, but anyway, it makes our point. And let's save that, and now let's run it. And there we go. Sorry, no cake for you. We can also use several mathematical comparisons in our statements. Let's have a look at those. So we've already seen the equal sign. Now, what about less than? So we've given age the value of 21. So age is less than the value 21. False. Okay, let's say age greater than 21. False. How about age less than or equal to 21? True. Perfect. How about age greater than or equal to 21? True, because the age is equal to 21. So that's it for this lovely short lecture on numerical comparisons, and we'll look at these later on in future lectures. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture.